Tired of seeing your hard-earned money slowly chipped away by fees? When you're starting your investment journey, every dollar matters, and the fees you pay can be the hidden enemy of your long-term growth. We're comparing two investment giants with vastly different fee structures, the micro-investing app, Acorns, and the low-cost fund powerhouse, Vanguard. Which one lets you keep more of your money? Let's break down the costs. First, let's talk about Acorns. This app is famous for its roundups feature, which automatically invests your spare change. It uses a flat monthly subscription fee. Their most popular tier, Acorns Personal, costs $3 a month. The family plan, which adds custodial accounts for kids, is $12 a month. Now, this flat fee model is great for simplicity, but it can be surprisingly costly if you have a small balance. For example, if you have only $500 invested, that $3 monthly fee works out to $36 a year, which is a whopping 7.2% of your assets. That's huge. The fee only becomes negligible as your account balance grows, making Acorns most expensive for the very beginners it's designed for. On the flip side, we have Vanguard. Vanguard's reputation is built on one thing, being the pioneer of low-cost investing, primarily through index funds and ETFs. Their fee structure is percentage-based, specifically the expense ratio on the funds you buy. The average expense ratio for a Vanguard fund is incredibly low, often less than 0.1%. That means on a $10,000 investment, you might pay just $10 a year in fees, which is automatically deducted from the fund's returns. Now, for brokerage accounts, Vanguard does have a $25 annual account service fee, but this is easily waived by simply signing up for paperless e-delivery. So for most investors, the only cost is the ultra-low expense ratio. So, how do we choose? If you are a brand new investor who absolutely needs the roundups feature to trick yourself into saving, and you anticipate having a small balance for a year or less, Acorns' ease of use might be worth the higher percentage fee initially. But, if you have a lump sum to invest, or plan to make consistent deposits, and you are focused on minimizing long-term costs, Vanguard is the clear winner. Its percentage-based, ultra-low expense ratios ensure that as your portfolio grows to $5, $10, and $100,000, your fee percentage remains minuscule, saving you tens of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. Ultimately, the lower your fees, the more you keep, and the faster your money compounds. And when it comes to low costs, Vanguard is still the king. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.